It's Tech Tuesday here at Chasing Daylight Moto, and today we're going to talk about the thing that annoys us the most aesthetically on most of our bikes, and that is the large hunk of plastic that holds the license plate and license plate light on the tail of the motorcycle. Now, some of you are probably wondering, why in the world do motorcycle manufacturers do this to begin with? And the simple answer is the law. That's right, the law in many states and even in many countries dictates that the rearmost part of the motorcycle, or any new motorcycle sold by a manufacturer, must not be the rear tire. So that means essentially you have to have something hanging off further back than the rear tire of the motorcycle on the back of the motorcycle. Now that's actually quite silly to a lot of us, because in a rear end collision, a car or truck hits your motorcycle, well, guess what? It's not going to matter whether you've got your plastic fender hanging off the back or not. They're going to plow right through you. And so, to help my Gen 3 Hayabusa out with its ginormous backside, today I am going to take you through the installation of a T-Rex Racing tail tidy kit that I picked up from T-Rex Racing. Full disclosure, T-Rex did not provide this. I bought this with my own money and installed it on my own time. I'm getting nothing for reviewing this other than the sheer joy of making my motorcycle look better. So if you want to follow along real quick and see what I'm doing, keep watching. Through the magic of time-lapse, I'm able to show you this install relatively quick. If you're handy with tools and familiar with your motorcycle, you can probably do this in about 45 minutes in your home garage. If you're not, it could take you a little bit longer, as the tail cowl does have to come all the way off the bike to do this installation, and that part is a little bit tricky if you're a first timer. To get this install going, you need to remove the pillion seat and the primary rider seat from the bike. Then you're going to need to focus on removing that tail cowl. Now, the easiest thing to do is to watch T-Rex's video on this, but you can also consult the service manual so that you get all the locations of all the little screws and clips and plastic retainers that hold that tail cowl in place. If you've not done this before, this is the trickiest part of the job. The entire reason for removing that whole tail cowl from the back of the bike is so that you can get to the connector for the license plate light. This prevents you from having to cut it. T-Rex has engineered the kit to work with the factory license plate light, which is a feature of this kit that really attracted me to it. And once you get everything disconnected and removed from the bike, it's pretty much just the reverse order to reassemble. Now, one of the things I really like about this license plate bracket is that it's made from a very thick piece of aluminum, but it also is very sturdy and it's going to last. It comes coated, so it's already coated. It's going to be rust proof. It comes with brand new stainless hardware to make the installation even easier. It's just a very high quality product at a very reasonable price. So if you're looking for a tail tidy for your Gen 2, Gen 3 Hayabusa, I would encourage you to check this out. And again, I'm not getting anything from them for this, but this T-Rex product is the real deal. I really like this. So that's it for Tech Tuesday this week. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and as always, 2 on the ground, chin up, visor down, and we'll see you next time.